I'm Dr. Patrice Thompson. I am a family medicine physician, and I've been with WellStar since 2018. Preventative care is one of the most important things about medicine because it's there to try to prevent ailments before they start. Getting your screenings and knowing your numbers is something that's so important in every community because in order to prevent disease or in order to catch it at an early stage, you need to be getting the preventative screenings. When you're doing your preventative screenings like your mammograms and your colonoscopies, it really helps you to catch things at the beginning stage instead of waiting until you're showing signs and symptoms of something being wrong. You should add a wellness exam to your spring cleaning checklist because just the way you take care of your home and you want to start your home off in a new season fresh and clean, you want to start your body off nice and fresh and clean. You want to know what's going on inside your body. Keep your health in the forefront. When you do your spring cleaning every year, call your primary care doctor, set up an appointment, get in so that you can know your numbers and stay on top of your health as well. WellStar, more than healthcare, people care.